be reviewing the 2.4 GHz Exceed RC Drift Star. This is the box it comes in, and this is the car I got. I got the blue brushed version of it. Still very powerful. And under the body it has a powerful 540 brushed motor, a 1800 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. It's a pretty good battery actually that comes with it. And the receiver is 2.4 GHz, so is the transmitter. But the receiver is 3-channel, so if you ever want to upgrade that or upgrade anything, it's good for it. This battery lasts a pretty good time, and the car overall is great. I'll be upgrading to a brushless setup though, but when you get out of the box, it drifts great. This has this is a 4-wheel drive car with independent suspension, which can be adjusted with these. Comes with 4 of each, one very thick and one thin. Put it in the top of the spring for the suspension. It'll make the suspension harder, which is useful. The other things that come with it is this sheet of decals for it, if you want to put them on. I haven't yet, I don't know if I will. The 1800 milliamp nickel metal hydride battery. Some instructions for the transmitter. And a book of manual or booklet of parts, all the parts for the car and for other Exceed RC cars. It also comes with a nickel metal hydride battery charger with the adapter for to work with banana plugs. When you take the car out of the box, it will have the body on. It'll be secured on with these, and the battery will be in place with this over it, secured by these as well. You do not want to leave the battery unattended. And even though it's a LiPo battery, I would still recommend getting one of these LiPo-safe charging bags. If you have this car and you like it a lot, you might want to even upgrade it, get a better battery, upgrade to a brushless motor and a brushless ESC, and then you will need this. But still, it's a lot better to have this and be safe than to be sorry. This car, over time, I will probably be upgrading a lot of these parts to aluminum, getting a brushless motor, and for this car I'd probably get anywhere from 2,000 to 5,000 milliamp LiPo battery, 20 cell, 7.4 or 11.1 volts. And for the body, I'd probably go to HPI Racing, probably get a better body, maybe some light buckets, put a little LED in there. This, I believe, is a 200mm body, so that's what you'll need to be looking for. This is a very good car for beginners, and if you have the money, you can go ahead and already buy the brushless edition. I think it's $170, around $160. Well, this is only $100, and I got it when the shipping was free, so I didn't have to pay the extra $20 for shipping here, all the way on the other side of the country. And it only took a little over a week to get it here from California to the East Coast. Start it up, you always want to turn on the transmitter first, plug in the battery, and then turn on the ESC, wait for the beeps, then you are safe to put on the body and not worry about having to turn it off in an emergency. And the body height is also adjustable with these. You can have it low to the ground, and have it look like an actual drifter, more than up to the top. But the higher it is, the safer it is from if you're going on a curve and the suspension goes down and it doesn't hit the ground. I have mine just high enough so that will not happen. Let's see how fast the tires spin. Now I checked with the support from Nitro RCX, and they said that this car, at its current setup with the brushed motor, right out of the box, goes about 35 miles an hour. You don't need to go that fast for it to drift, but it's still great to have that speed and everything. When I've checked at all the other retailers for the Exceed RC cars, and NitroRCX.com is by far the cheapest, most reliable. You don't have to hope you get the right part or hope it's not damaged in shipping. You will know. They also have a ton of deals for free shipping and discounts on the cars. It's just far better than anywhere else.
Oke, lagu yang kedua kalinya.
Mohon perhatian. Kereta jurusan Bojonegoro, Surabaya telah memuat Boro Maria yang dikawal langsung oleh masinis cantiknya Sera Wiwi Sagita AVS Yuda.
Malam itu
kereta jurusan Bojonegoro Surabaya telah memuat Boro Mania yang dikawal langsung oleh masinis cantiknya Sera Wiwi Sagita AVS Yuda.